Hey guys, it's Erica. Welcome to today's video. I am so excited to make this video because I am unboxing my iPad. It was a hard decision to make, but ultimately I made the decision to purchase an iPad because I have wanted a laptop for probably a solid 10 years. I haven't had one since high school, and then I used my mom's. I had an iPad for like 3 years till I was about 20, and then it kind of died. And then I just really never repurchased anything. Also, excuse the mess back there. I couldn't be bothered. Anyways, so I really wanted a MacBook, and I saved up all of my money for a MacBook, and then when it came to buying a MacBook, I chickened out. MacBooks are very expensive. I know they last a very long time, but I chickened out. I couldn't do it. It was rough. MacBooks, if you don't know, are like, I think the cheapest I've seen is like $1,100, $1,200, up to like $2,000 or more, if I'm remembering correctly from the last time that I checked on those. And I couldn't do it. I could not drop that amount of money on a computer and not knowing if the computer was going to work, how it was going to work, you know, where everything is, because I've never had a MacBook. I've only had Windows stuff. So I knew that I've had an iPad before. They're a little bit cheaper, so I was going to get the iPad, I don't know, the regular one that was like the 8th generation one. When I went to Target, they did not have the rose gold one in stock with the 128 gigs. So I went to go order it up at the front desk, and lo and behold, they don't have it, and they couldn't do it even though the guy in the back told me they could. So that was kind of disappointing. So I went home, decided, you know what? If I'm gonna put the money into it, I'm just gonna get the iPad Air with 256 gigabytes. Don't quote me on iPad Air. That to me doesn't sound right, but I can't think of the other one that it would be, because I know it's not the iPad Pro. But it is in here. It actually took 3 days to ship to me, even though they said, oh, it's only gonna take 2. So I had to wait extra, but that's why I'm opening it today. I did order the screen protector, the case, and a pen for the iPad, but Amazon's not sending it to me till Monday. And as much as I have some self-control, I really want to open the iPad because I haven't had one in so long, and I'm so excited that I literally can't wait. So I'm just going to put it right back in the package then when I'm done on unboxing it, and then I'll just show you guys the other products as well, because I can't wait. I just really want to see it so bad, and I'm allowed to do that. So I'm going to open it now, and then once I get the stuff on Monday, hopefully it comes sooner than that. Usually they do ship sooner, so like maybe Saturday I'll get it, but today's Thursday, so I'm gonna open it today. So let me angle the camera and we'll open this together. Alright, so I have the package here. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm so excited. I just realized I didn't have my scissors out, so give me a second. I'm gonna go grab those and open it. Alright, so here is the package. I mean, Molly will play with that, so we'll just save those for her. Oh my gosh, here it is. Alright, so it is actually the iPad Air. Oh, I'm actually surprised I got that right, because I definitely didn't think that that was right. But okay. So I did get the iPad Air. It looks like this, and I got it in the rose gold color, the 256 gig. This is the 4th generation. I hope that that's good. It seemed like one of the newest ones that came out, so That's what I went with. The iPad Pro was like $1,500 or $200 or something like that, so that was a no-go for me. But I'm going to open it up. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. Put that in the box. I haven't opened a box like this from Apple in so long. Kind of makes me nervous. I really feel like I should wait till I have all of the pieces, because then there's no way it could be ruined. But at the same time, I don't want to wait. But I should wait. I'm just gonna open this. See, I have self-control, but I have none at the same time. How is that even possible? I can't even get it. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh. Wow. And then what, you just pull it? Yep, okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's all I can say. We're just gonna sit her over there for a second. And then it said that it came with a new, these are like the instructions, those Apple stickers or whatever. It also said that it came, or it has a new type of charger with it. A USB-C. Honestly, I don't know what that means. Like what the difference is. Like, I really don't know. I'm sure it'll tell me here in the instructions, but, oh, is that it? Is this just really thick? I guess it's just really thick. Okay. Oh, so there's the stickers. And the instructions on, I guess, how to set it up. Cool beans. So, because this just, wow, it has like some weight to it too. Because this just feels so expensive, and, well, it is expensive. I don't even know why I said that. And so nice. Erica's just gonna put it right back inside here. And I'm just going to let it, I really wanted to turn on, try it out and everything, but I'm so scared of scratching it or ruining it. So Erica's just going to put it right back in the box, and I'm going to set it aside, and I'm going to come back to you on Monday when I have my Amazon package, because I'm not trying to ruin this, but just know I'm very, very, very excited. So let's all just check back. Hold on. Let's all just check back on Monday. And I will upload another video on the real unboxing of my iPad Air. And with all of the little materials with it. I think you guys will be will really like the case that I got for it, because it looks really cool. And then I got a different, like, it's a pen that goes with it, but it's not the Apple pen, so I'm excited to see if that actually works with this, how it works with this, because it said it's supposed to work like pretty much the same. And then I got the paper-like screen protector, because everyone said that that was like the best thing to get if you want to draw or, you know, create things or write on it or whatever. So that's what I ordered, and I got it all from Amazon. I'm a cheap person over here, and me being as cheap and frugal as I am, there's no way I was going to pay $100 for a little stylus pen, or like $40 for their little screen protectors. So definitely went the Amazon route. So definitely check back. Let me know if you guys have an iPad, what kind of iPad you have, if you like it, if you don't, what apps to put on it, what apps not to put on it. Yeah, and just things like that. I really want to know what you guys use on your iPads and how you like them and everything like that. And yeah, I'm sorry to disappoint that it wasn't like a full unboxing, but tune in because there will be one coming. And you know, if you want to see that come up, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on that little notification bell. That way you get notified that I do upload it, so that way you guys can see it. But yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you Monday for another unboxing. Bye!